Hey yo fam, talk me through your new setup.
So I got the Aeons. I copped the Aeons last week. Just get that glide with those babies, you know.
Show me that twist McTwisty.
What, this one?
Yo, we out here in the deep south. Yeah, Bromley Mandem, big up. Oi! Yeah, so I'm out here with my boy Delta. He is seriously ripping it up. First time skating in like wait. Man is shredding.
Oh, I can't do it.
Wipe out, dude. I'm the bad man.
We're gonna see if we can get some air today. Get some wax on this and
Bring the fire. Oi! Big up the Mandem. Oi! With the big air. Go on in. First drop in. War wounds, fam. War wounds. You got bare blood on you, fam.
Shit, I wasn't taking a picture.
We got a jet, you know.
I'd knock these dudes out, but you know, gotta stay safe around here, kids.
Stay safe, kids.